To demonstrate mastery of ISTE 3D to select, evaluate, and facilitate the use of adaptive and assisted technologies. One of the first things that we did was learn how to add closed captioning into videos. This is beneficial for students because everybody needs to read along, and it's really easy to create the closed captioning on YouTube videos. It's probably the easiest one to use out of all the closed captioning software I've seen. You go up to the YouTube Creator Studio and click Edit, and it just literally walks you through. You choose the Subtitles tab. You add new subtitles, and it automatically adds them onto the screen, and you can go through and make sure it's accurate and add in the punctuation. And you hit play and you just watch and make sure it goes okay. And it's really a great and easy tool to use to add closed captioning. The other part of this was through an app review as part of 7700. I reviewed a couple different apps that adapted to students' needs and can be used in different ways to help students. Newsella is a curated informational text, and you can adjust the lexile on the articles, and on the paid version, the students, as they go through and answer questions, the lexile will increase, so it can adapt to the students' needs, which is fantastic because you can assign students the same article and different lexiles. They're still getting the same content and can still discuss with their peers, but the information is more understandable to them, so it's not singling students out with disabilities, which is great. Another website that I like is No Ready, which is grammar skills practice, and the kids are able to select famous people that they like within the program, and it fills in the names of the characters in the sentences, so it makes it a little more interesting for the students. But as they practice, it gets progressively more difficult, and students aren't able to move on in the lessons until they've shown that they've mastered the material. And this is really important to help students and support their learning because it does go to their specific needs. Another part of this I want to talk back over here on this 7300 blog that I created. I want to go back and talk about one font that I want to get the word out about and really get more teachers using. There is a font called Dyslexie, and this is a free font, and it is designed for students who have dyslexia. It makes the letter shapes a little bit different between those commonly confused letters. And this is really important for kids to have if they're having trouble with reading. We have a lot of kids who are undiagnosed with dyslexia or just have trouble, with the font spacing. And this font really improves readability for students, and it's just one way to support them and assist them in improving their reading skills. And again, it's a free font. I really feel like other schools need to be using this to help their students. It's a very easy way to use technology to assist students in improving their reading skills.